Very good morning from Kavamia. Let's see what is the energy for today. What is our energy for life, career, relationship? What are the obstacles expected today and how to deal with that? What are the guidance for us? So I'm using multiple decks here. Life, career, relationships and obstacle. Please connect to the cards and pray to the universe or to the force you are connected. Request to show it on the cards. Life, we have got 9 of Cups. Let me pick career from this deck. What is the energy for career today? Okay. Star power. Okay. What is the energy for relationship? We are using another deck. So we have 10 of Wands here. What is the obstacle? What is this obstacle? Obstacle. Six of Swords. And let us take one last card from Shiva Oracle. Today's Monday. So what is the guidance? Yes. Okay. Trishul Trident. So let me interpret the reading for you. So in life we have got 9 of Cups energy. Overall life energy is good. Wish fulfillment energy. Contentment energy, satisfaction energy, but yes, still few things are not very clear also. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो ना, यहाँ पर धुंध है. You can see mountains very far. So I strongly feel कि there are few things which is not very clear at this moment when we are doing this reading. But yes, it's a very good day wherein you can feel by end of the day maybe you will feel कि हाँ आज का दिन अच्छा था. It was a good day. And for career we have got the Star Power card. You need engaging work that will let your talent shine. You are a natural actor and influencer. You attract fame and fortune. So there is good energy in the career also. जैसे आपको कहा जा रहा है कि whatever you are doing, no, just give your best today. Give your best and definitely you will be able to achieve whatever you are targeting today. जो भी आप टारगेट कर रहे हो, जो भी आप करोगे वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुली और क्रिएटिवली you will be able to achieve it. This is the energy for career. So only thing is you have to give your best. And in relationship we have got 10 of Wands energy, overburden and struggling love. So we don't have very good energy in relationship. Maybe you are there is some specific relationship जिसके साथ आप overburden feel कर रहे हो और you are struggling to manage. बाकी सब तो चीज़ें सही लग रही है यहाँ पर. Overall life is good but still particularly maybe there is some relationship, कोई specific relationship है जहाँ पर आप थोड़ा overburden feel कर रहे हो. Maybe overburden can be because 10 of Wands basically it is like एक stress energy है. It can be physical or mental stress. 10 of Wands. तो यहाँ पर गाइडेंस, बिकॉज एवरी कार्ड इज गिविंग अस गाइडेंस ऑल्सो, राइट? बिकॉज जैसे लाइफ में बोला है कि देर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच आर नॉट वेरी क्लियर बट स्टिल वी आर ओपन टू इट. वॉट एवर वी हैव टू एंजॉय राइट एट दिस मोमेंट वी आर एंजॉइंग इट. वी आर हैप्पी विथ वॉट वी हैव, राइट? तो यहाँ पर भी वॉट इज द गाइडेंस? इफ यू आर इन अ स्ट्रेस सिचुएशन, स्ट्रेस है, फिजिकल स्ट्रेस है, मेंटल स्ट्रेस है, तो ट्राई टू हैंडल दैट सिचुएशन स्ट्रेटेजिकली. There is a clear indication कि what you are going through, there is no way out. I mean, जो burden है उससे आपको go through करना ही पड़ेगा. But only thing is try to handle it strategically. You have to give your best. जैसे वो कर्म क्षेत्र, career stands for कर्म क्षेत्र also. Like whatever you are doing, try give your best to make it better. So same thing applies for relationship also. कि you are feeling a stress there, try to make things better there. whichever means. या तो आपको वर्क में पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बैलेंस लेके आना है, या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि यू हैव टू टेक सम स्टेप्स जहां पर स्ट्रेटेजिक अप्रोच लगाओ आप कि चीजें कैसे बेहतर हो सकती है, उस दिशा में सोचो, ना कि उस चीज के अंदर बर्डन में आप बैठे रहो और काम करते रहो, बिकॉज वी शुड फोकस ऑन टू द सोल्यूशन एंड नॉट ऑन टू द प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट। 10 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स की एनर्जी है, ठीक है। यू कैन सी द लेडी इज डूइंग वर्क, बोथ आर बिजी, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है, लव का साइन नहीं है। So what is the obstacle today? 6 of swords energy. एक stuck energy दिख रही है, एक stuck feeling. Maybe you are getting into a victim mode कि it always happens with me. I am doing best but I am not getting anything out of it. एक victim mode में चले जाना. That is the obstacle today. Feeling stuck. 6 of swords. Swords energy always talks about what? Mental clarity. It's always talks about communication, clear communication, open. Maybe if these two people are communicating with each other, maybe things are going to be better there, है ना? So 6 of swords energy आपको ऐसा लगेगा like things are stopping you, things are not working for you, you know, you feel. So यहाँ this card, as I said, like every card is giving you guidance also. This card is giving us guidance की baggages को clear करो. Try to clear your baggages. If you want to move ahead, if you want to make changes in the situation, in your relationship or in your life, in your career, you have to keep moving on. You have to break those patterns which does not work for you. जो चीजें आपकी एनर्जी को ड्रेन करता है उसको छोड़ो और आगे बढ़ो. Because if you can see this lady, she is actually planning to move from here. वो बोट पे है and she want to move on some other direction. But उनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि these crows are stopping her. But it is not practical. It is not possible that crows can stop her, or it can stop this boat. ये छोटे छोटे तीन धागों से बांध रखा है, ऐसे impossible है. This is all our illusion. कि this is the problem, that is the problem. That is not the problem. Problem is with you. You are carrying the baggages. You're seeing she is holding that suitcase. अगर आप अपने baggages के साथ आगे जाओगे, whatever happened in past, if it is troubling you, it can be failures, it can be rejections, it can be sad moments, it can be bad experiences. Just leave it and move ahead. जहाँ भी जाओगे अगर उसको लेके जाओगे तो हर जगह वही प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगा. यू विल बी फीलिंग सेम. You will not be able to make changes in your life. You will not be able to make changes in your relationship. You will not be able to bring some changes or prosperity in your career or abundance. है ना? सेल्फ विक्टिम मोड में नहीं जाना है हमको. So 6 of Swords energy बोल रहा है कि यार there are people to support you around, but you have to ask for help. Right? पूछो, देखो, आंखें खोलो. Try to understand the situation and try to take steps. That's the obstacle कि stuck रहना, victim mode में जाना, way out feel ना होना. That's the obstacle. But yes, card ने आपको guidance भी बोला. It's not a destined energy that you cannot work on it. And then we have a Trishul card in the guidance. So Trishul card means what? Brahma, Vishnu, Sadashiv, creator, provider, and destruction. So this is giving me a feel of temperance energy. Try to bring balance in your dualities. हमारे अंदर जो practical mind है, emotional mind है, हमारे thoughts है, कुछ भी है जो हमारे में दो है, जो हमेशा हमको फंसा देता है. दिल कुछ और कह रहा है, दिमाग कुछ और कह रहा है. उसमें ना एक बैलेंस लेके आओ. अगर मान लो ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, सदाशिव अगर अपने अपने रोल से हिल गए तो प्रपंच सृष्टि का क्या होगा? ना, तालमेल बैठा रखा है उन्होंने, अपने अपने काम में वो बिजी हैं. So that's how we have to deal everything. We have to deal our life like that only. We have to invest our energies equally to the profession, to the personal life. हर जगह एक balance लेके आना है. So basically to handle the whole day today, you have to get into, or you have to tap the energy of temperance in you. Try to balance things from your side. So that's all. Have a lovely day. This is how we do daily tarot, wherein we try to tap into the energies of life, career, relationship, and what are the obstacles expected, और उसके लिए क्या guidance है, कैसे हम उसको tackle कर सकते हैं. This is how I am giving daily tarot guidance. अगर आप भी अपने life में कहीं पर stuck हैं, this service is not forever. अगर आप अपने life में, career में, relationship में कहीं भी stuck feel कर रहे हैं तो you can take guidance like this and you can work on this and this is helping a lot of people, and this is going to work for you as well. So if you want universe support, उनका guidance अगर आपको through cards चाहिए, you can definitely contact Pravanya and take this service. Tarot daily guidance, it comes to you every day like this. That's all. Have a lovely day. अब जिनसे भी ये रेजोनेट होता है प्लीज़ वो ले लीजिए, अदरवाइज जस्ट लीव इट. थैंक यू. हैव अ लवली डे. नमस्ते. प्लीज़ लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें. यूट्यूब एंड इंस्टाग्राम बोथ अकाउंट्स आर देयर फॉर Pravanya. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.